Good morning, friends. My name is Miss Jeanne, and I have a friend here with me today to tell you about a very special place. It's a place I know you will want to visit. Here comes my friend now.
Hi, everybody. My name is Lou. I'm here to tell you about the Mooseum. That's not right. Oh, yes, it's the museum. The Evansville Museum of Art, History, and Science. I brought some things with me today that you might see at the museum.
You have a big basket here, Moo. What are all these things?
They're things to show what is in the museum. Oh, I mean the museum. Could you hold the things up for the children to see?
Sure. Moo, what are these things? It's a jar of pennies and a really big penny. Why? The children have pennies at home. Why would they come to the museum to see them?
I brought the pennies because of the picture on them. It's Abraham Lincoln. He was president of the United States, and he grew up on a farm in Indiana, not far from Evansville. You can learn about Abraham Lincoln at the museum.
Moo, what's this? Is it a bar of soap? The children are going to take a bath at the museum, are they? They have bars of soap at home.
But not like this soap. This is special soap. It's called lye soap. At the museum, the children can see how pioneers lived and how they made lye soap. They can even see a real log cabin.
Cool. What's this, Moo? Is this a bale of hay? Are the children going to see hay at the museum?
Oh, that's my lunch. I was afraid I might get hungry.
Oh, that makes sense. Ooh, this is a beautiful doll. But don't you think the children have dolls and toys at home?
Well, sure. But this doll is like the porcelain dolls in the old toy store at the museum. Our friends can see the kind of toys children played with 100 years ago. That's a long time. Those toys weren't made of plastic like toys are now. I think they would like to see those old-time toys.
I'm sure they would, Moo. Moo, are these your house slippers?
No, silly. Those are the moccasins like some Native Americans wear. Our friends can see what clothes some Native Americans wear and the beautiful things that they make like rugs and baskets.
Hey, Moo, is this your Halloween mask?
Oh, no, but it's like some of the masks at the museum. They were made by people all over the world, and the children can see them in the Humankind Gallery.
Oh, Moo, this is a beautiful painting. Did you paint this picture?
Oh, no. That was painted by a famous artist named Vincent van Gogh. We don't have any of his paintings at our museum, but we do have lots and lots of other beautiful paintings at the museum. I chose that painting because it has stars.
Well, why is that, Moo? The children are going to see stars at the museum. They won't be here at night.
Oh, yes, they can see stars and learn all about our planet Earth at the Cook Immersive Theater. Even in the daytime, they can see the stars, and they can watch movies that tell all about our Earth and the people who live here. It's real cool.
How fun. Oh, there's something else in your basket. It's a train engine.
That's right. It's an old-time steam engine. Our friends can see a real steam engine at the museum's transportation center. And they can even get on the train and ring the bell. It's marvelous. I mean, marvelous.
That does sound marvelous. Well, Moo, your basket's empty, except except for your lunch, of course. Is there anything else you would like to tell the children before we go?
Yes, I hope all the children will come and see everything at the museum, and they will bring their moms and dads, brothers, sisters, grandmas, grandpas, aunts, uncles, neighbors, teachers.
Okay,
friends.
Moo. I think we get the idea. We want them to bring everyone to the museum because we know they will just love the
Museum. Bye, friends.
Bye,
We'll see you
friends.
there.